Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo Lollipop. Press a lollipop stick gently into the cream center of each Oreo and set on parchment paper. Dip each cookie halfway into melted chocolate and let excess drip back into the bowl. Add sprinkles while chocolate is wet for decoration. Chill in the fridge until chocolate sets solid, about 15 to 20 minutes, then enjoy or wrap for gifting. Start by melting chocolate in short microwave bursts or over simmering water, stirring until silky smooth. Insert lollipop sticks into the center of each Oreo with a quick, steady push to prevent cracking. Dip each cookie halfway into the chocolate and gently tap the stick edge on the bowl to remove drips. Optionally add sprinkles while chocolate is still wet. Chill on a lined tray until fully set, then serve or package for later. Try white chocolate for a striking contrast and tint it with food coloring for festive themes. Sprinkle crushed Oreo, sea salt, or drizzle caramel and melted peanut butter for extra flavor and texture. If you want a double coat, chill between layers to prevent sinking. For gifting, wrap each lollipop in cellophane and tie with ribbon. Keep lollipops in an airtight container away from heat and humidity for the best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.